big PNP updates you shouldn't ignore: BC and Ontario immigration news. If you're planning your Canadian PR through a provincial nominee program, this update is important. Two of Canada's biggest provinces, British Columbia and Ontario, have released major PNP announcements, and both directly impact how 2026 nominations could look. Let's break this down clearly and simply. British Columbia. First province to announce 2026 PNP allocation. British Columbia has become the first province in Canada to officially confirm how many provincial nominations it will receive for 2026. For next year, BC has been granted 5,254 nomination slots. Now, at first glance, this looks like good news because it's about 31% higher than what BC originally received at the start of 2025. But here's the important context. By the end of 2025, BC actually had 6,214 nominations after receiving 2 extra top-ups from the federal government during the year. So compared to where BC finished 2025, the 2026 allocation is actually lower. What's more interesting is that BC had requested 9,000 nominations for 2026 based on labor shortages and economic needs. That means the approved number is over 40% lower than what the province asked for. BC has already stated it will continue discussions with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, so there's still a possibility of additional nominations later. But for now, this is the confirmed number. As for priorities, BC has said it is still finalizing how it will use this limited allocation. In 2025, the focus was on healthcare, entrepreneurs, and high economic impact profiles, but official 2026 priorities will be announced in the new year. Ontario, 2025 nomination limit fully reached. Now let's talk about Ontario. Ontario has officially confirmed that it has used its entire 2025 nomination allocation. In total, the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program issued 10,750 nominations this year, which is exactly the number it was allotted after a 50% federal cut compared to 2024. So what does this mean if you already applied or are planning to apply? Ontario has clarified that it will continue accepting and processing applications, but any new approvals will now fall under Ontario's 2026 nomination allocation. This could mean longer waiting times for some applicants as the province transitions into the new quota year. It's also worth remembering that provinces usually issue more invitations than actual nominations because not every application results in approval. So receiving an invitation does not automatically mean a nomination is guaranteed. Why these two updates matter together? Here's the bigger picture. Both BC and Ontario are operating under tighter nomination limits, even though Canada is planning a major increase in PNP admissions in 2026 up to 91,500 spots, which is a 66% jump from 2025. This tells us two things. Provinces are becoming far more selective. Priority will likely go to candidates who closely match labor market needs. Healthcare professionals, job-ready candidates, and regionally aligned profiles are expected to remain strong contenders. Conclusion. If you're already in the PNP pipeline, patience is key, but strategy matters more than ever. If you're still planning your pathway, this is the right time to re-evaluate your eligibility, explore multiple provincial options, align your profile with priority occupations and regions. Provincial nominations are still one of the strongest pathways to Canadian PR, but the rules are evolving quickly. If you want to stay ahead of these changes and plan smartly for 2026, keep following us for clear, timely immigration updates. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.